We are now inside the Shangri-La. This is one of the expensive resort here in Cebu. The Shangri-La. Welcome to the Shangri-La. We are going first to the main lobby, and later on I will go to the Ocean Pavilion. And those are the parking area of the Shangri-La.
In 100 meters, slight left onto Shangri-La Resort Mactan.
Shangri-La Resort Mactan.
Slight left onto Shangri-La Resort Mactan, then your destination will be on the right.
Shangri-La. That's going to the Shangri-La, and that's going to the Marquee, and we are going to the lobby, main lobby first. Marquee later on we'll go there. And welcome to the Shangri-La. My lips feel so dry. Main lobby of the Shangri-La. Shangri-La, Shangri-La. The days of our breath.
Your destination is on the right.
So unfortunately I did not took video of the during the lunch. Actually we have lunch with my client, with my high-end client, so I did not take video, you know. I don't want to most of my clients are private, so they don't want to get involved with any video, and I also don't want to involve them even though they will say yes, and I will not approach them also. So this is the ocean wing of the Shangri-La. So I just took lunch with my client, and here is the ocean wing. I've just finished. That's the ocean wing, and we will just keep that's the ocean view of the Shangri-La. That's the building, and I will just go back. So I'll just show you the parking area of Shangri-La, and it's really big property, and it's high-end resort here in Mactan. So I just took lunch with my client, and I did not take video while we are eating, you know. It's very awkward. So my client is staying here in Shangri-La, and I'm going to come back here later tonight. I will come back here tonight, and we will have dinner together later. Yeah, that's hopefully on my next visit here in Shangri-La, I can show you the amenities, the beachfront of the Shangri-La. But for now, that's the only thing that I can show you right now, the parking, the outside of the Shangri-La. Okay, I'll just show you lang the outdoors. Okay, I have to go back pa. I need to go back, but later I will come back later. I will back. Init kayo eh. Bakit ka ba nakita? Bakit pa kilala? if you are interested to visit Shangri-La because it's really nice in here. The foods are great, and the ambience, you know, you can really feel the wealth, the money. And most of the people inside, the guests, are foreigners. Many foreigners inside. And in that case, I am so hesitant to. That's the Shangri-La. I am so hesitant to take video because, you know, I don't want to. Most of the people here are on vacation, so of course they are also private, and we don't want to ruin their vacation. So let's go. I will go now outside because I still have meeting in Cebu Business Park in Cebu City, so I have to go in Cebu City now. But later on tonight I will go back before dinner time. So this has been me again, Mark. Thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Like the video and share and comment if you have something suggestion to the channel or whatever. I will bring you outside. So that road is going to Punta Inganyo. That barangay Punta Inganyo. That's Shangri-La. And the road here is going back to Dimactan, Lapu-Lapu City. And aray kasakit sa akong kamot. And we will go back to Lapu-Lapu City. That promenade. And that's the Mactan New Town. Maybe we will end our video in Mactan New Town, somewhere in Mactan New Town. I will bring you right now to the Mactan New Town, and we will end our video there, coming from the Shangri-La going to the Mactan New Town. Bakit ka ba nakita? That's going to Mactan New Town also. That road, that's also going to Mactan New Town. Open sesame. Bakit ka ba nakita? Bakit ka nabilala? Kung ang buhay ko'y iiwan mo lang. There is a new commercial strips here, and I think this is lots of development in the area. Paspas magod, that's the Mactan New Town. We will go to the Mactan New Town. This is the Mactan New Town. Mactan New Town. That's the Pearl building, and that's the museum in Mactan New Town. I want to stop somewhere. And this is the Mactan New Town. Mactan New Town, Cebu. I will tour you around here sa Mactan New Town before I go back sa Cebu Business Park. I still have enough time, and I've done already my lunch, so I will turn around first here in Mactan New Town, and then going back, I will go to Cebu City after. I will show you the Mactan New Town. So this is the township. This is the township of Mega World. Mega World here in Mactan. Dagang kay mangga, Portofino Beach, na ay Portofino Beach dire. And bang man signature sa Mactan New Town, kada mga mangoes. Dagang kayo gana dire. Dagang kayo mga foreigners. Dagang kayo mga foreigners. Asians, mostly dagang Asians diri, Koreans, Japanese, Chinese. Samot pa to kato sa una katong uso pang Pugo. May Pugo hub diri. Karon kay wala naman. Mactan Expo. Dako man kay kini. Tama pa na siya dito ay. Convention Road. But dili na ta dito eh. We will go back na. Kay late ko sa ako ang ano, work. That's the ASEAN Philippines. Na may ASEAN. So let's go back. Bakit ka pa nakita? Bakit pa nakilala? Kung ang puso ko ay iiwan mo lang at sasaktan. It's ano for her, kadiyot lang. Let's park kadiyot lang. Okay, my phone, it's very hot. So this has been the Mactan New Town, and this has been me, Mark. Wala ko energy. Kani kay Pugo habay na sa una eh. Katong na ay dagang ano dire, katong na pay Pugo, uso pa Pugo na kanin Mactan New Town 8 Newton Boulevard, that one. Swimming pool man na siya ka na, morgue na infinity. And this one is the library. And these are the commercials below Mactan New Town. And let's go outside sa Mactan New Town. Kape ko eh. Kape kaya kung kamot. Hit me baby one more time. My loneliness is killing me now. I must confess, I still believe. And the iconic dolphin of Mactan New Town. The iconic mga foods dito. Foods dito ay mga foods. And that's the iconic center of Mactan New Town. Kanay dolphin fountain. My loneliness is killing me. I must confess, still believe, and I am with you. My mind. That's it. Our video for today.